I can't open it!
You are currently watching part 4 of unboxing Korean snacks.
Oh my god, these are such the cutest little packaging. It's so cute. Oh, are they all melted together? It's basically like a little biscuit with chocolate. That's what it is. Really good snack. I'm gonna try these two things that I cannot pronounce. So let's not pronounce them. Let's just try them. This one is coffee flavored. So, okay, so it is like a little wafer, and it has like a little bit of cream in there, and then like a little chocolate drizzle, or maybe coffee. Let's try it. Oh my god, you know what it reminds me of? Milano cookies. Oh, yes! Milano cookies are so good. Absolutely love it. If you buy this, please comment below. I want your reactions and your first take on this. So this is the other one that came with it, and it says white. Let's see here. Yes. Since we're still on like a white chocolate mood, we're gonna try these white hazelnut ones. Making a little bit of mess. These look like the things that you put on the ice cream. Los bizcochitos. I don't know how to say it in English. Yes. This one is so good because it's like an ice cream cone with white chocolate inside of it. Tastes really good. This would taste so good with ice cream. And the chocolate is just so soft and creamy. What a good snack. All of these snacks, I love all of them, except the tiny one. I'd be okay without the tiny one in this pack, to be honest. There's enough chocolate in there that it's not like super overpowering the taste of like the little wafery, flaky thing. Okay, so whatever this outer layer is, it's a lot thicker than the chocolate inside. And when you bite into it, it gets stuck to your teeth. It's not my favorite snack. I don't really like snacks that like get stuck to your teeth like that. Try this one. I mean, maybe the strawberry, I think it's strawberry because it's pink, flavor will taste better, but we'll see. Actually, yes. The filling on this one tastes really good. Better than the chocolate. On to the fruity ones. The ones that say French pie on them. We'll try the apple one first. Oh my god, look at this. We only have 4 left. Wow, we've really tried all these snacks together. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video until the end. Like, let me know what part was your favorite or what snack you think you would like to try based on my descriptions of it. If the goal was trying to imitate an actual pie in a snack, like a snack-sized pie, this is it. This is a little pie in a package. Wow, this is so cool. That is like the coolest little snack that I think I have tried so far. Just because it really imitates what a pie would be if a pie were a snack. Little bite-sized pie, let's try again. This is a very impressive snack. So now we're gonna try the mango fruit jelly. Oh wow, okay, so it's juicy. I didn't expect the texture in it, but I don't know if I'm a jelly fan, like a little fruit jelly fan anymore. We're gonna try the last few things here. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna try this with ice. It tastes like vitamin water that has some taste to it. And you can slightly taste the peachy taste to it. Here we are drinking the Korean cafecito. It's so good. It tastes just like a cappuccino. And you can taste the coffee, but very light, and I think it has milk chocolate. I'm very satisfied with the Second Nature box. If you've been wanting to try some Korean snacks, this is the time. This is your sign that you should try it. They're very tasty. Thanks again for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you on the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing and comment below what I should try next. See you next time.